My people, this one now all the way from Ghana. See, no be only Nigeria they get problem. E get one 34-year-old Ghanaian man where they call Peyiri neighbor. They don't already arrest him in killing cousin where they call Janet and Saku because of say waiting you won't marry him. They marry family. Since when they start to they marry family where people no know. And this plan, this like saying don't they mean this lady because I never even sure self say now only marriage now go fit cause this thing because they saying carry this girl go inside bush cut her. So I never know maybe he won't even go use her part self do something. As he cut and finish now he kill her leave her inside the bush. Now this girl sister now I come they talk say this man don't kill his sister before they come run now go find this man and he don't confess self say yes. But what if they confess for? You can't say yes and you kill him because of say he no gree marry you. You look yourself as you be like this. You feel marry yourself. See as you were like who won't even marry you? You can't dey keep person. The guy don't see and say you know be in spec or you know fine rich. Now make her look and say me and you know they the same level. She no gree. You can't look and say for everything where you go do now to kill this kind of girl. You just cut your. In fact, some people and they need mental health check. Because if you like say some people they mad, but people know they too know say they don't mad. This he don't they carry this thing out from child. Maybe since when they born them, now he don't they like this in sister. I don't know where love they grow in between two brothers. Maybe we say brothers and sisters, yes, now they like in herself. Which one can't be married matter? You want marry and say waiting go born for you, I be waiting. Waiting people if people hear and say waiting they want talk. And I go just they do things, and I no go just think. And I go just behind an evil space they follow some people. I know they even understand. But people get evil mindsets. Because if your mind no dey dirty, you no go they think this kind of thing. Say among every woman where they this world, now only your cousin, 9 fine pass. I be woman don't finish for the whole of Ghana. You can't talk say now your cousin, now you won't marry. Now wow, he don't cut this in cousin life now short because this girl don't die. And with the hear self say this cousin now 50 years old. See the age difference, 34, 50. Now your grandmama you won't marry. What I know this thing, this story, if you know they add up, people like say they do mistake with that age. Because 50 years, this person goes, She supposed to even a plan self say she go still die. So what do you won't marry her for? You self 34. You don't see any young girl in her 20s where you go follow. Now this guy old mama. But anyway, this person don't die. Make her so rest in peace. Because I don't know as I want to judge this kind of matter now for Ghana people. On our own self, making herself talk. I don't know, maybe for Ghana. They marry family, they feel marry. Maybe brother and sister feel marry. Maybe cousin and cousin self feel marry. No, I go fit talk this kind of thing. Because we know now we go take judge am now. Now here I go leave this matter for now. Making herself comment on this kind of matter where they go on. Because this one no dey normal at all. For any African country self. I know sure self say they do them. But making I no come forget to like, share, and also subscribe. I go see you on for our next story. Every day, wahala. They just arrest one Abia vigilante wey kill one US-based businessman wey just come Nigeria say he won't come do business. Vigilante was supposed to guide person. Now you can't dey kill person. In fact, Nigeria is supposed to change the name now to Republic of Killing. Because the killing don't even too much. Today, this one don't die. Tomorrow, this one don't die. How many people call even, and as people they die, now so people say they plenty. We know they reduce. Yeah, they even see all this kind. I know they even understand. This man now, where this man employ him, say okay, come they guide me. Come they guide my because the man talk say he come Nigeria say he won't come invest. Then he himself won't build gas plant. As since he say maybe money they inside gas. He can say make him come Nigeria or come invest. This man where they call Okori Chukuma. Now be this vigilante where he employ you. And this person now where they kill. This in Oga, in name na Naya Ogbonna. This man now just employ this person. Say, okay, you dey find work and you be vigilante, make I accept you. I accept you finish now. They say if this man send this person, you know all these kind of workers will be say if they follow them talk, they go they misbehave. So this man know they submit to him boss. If him boss talk this one, maybe he go frown face. I can't they want you sure say you never meet this boss before this boss even employ him. You sure say you never know this man say okay, I dey wait make this man come make I can't kill this man because as this matter be, I don't know. Now, him come plan with another vigilante. The day wey this man, this oga now, this oga ogbonna, come go this plant, this gas plant, say, oh, make I go check this place, oh. Now there they come use gun, kill this man. For which reason? You no get any reason. Because as they do investigation, ask this man, he no dey talk anything. So me, I dey feel and say maybe somebody don't send them. Maybe this man say, behind na family people sef. Now he send them, say, oh, my brother they come from abroad, oh, kill this person. Because for no reason, person go just dey for no reason, kill person. If na so, then people no go dey again. If na so person mind they work, wey be say go just dey. Say you won't kill this one, you won't kill that one. We get mind, oh, we too wicked for this world. If you don't know person mind, now you go dey look say person and you where they help you, give you work, they pay you salary, oh. You can't see them now. You don't see good way to pay this your oga back. Now to kill him. This vigilante and his squad now they don't arrest them. But wetin come even vex me na this whole matter. I seen killing your oga on top of waiting, saying thief the oga waiting your oga motor, Toyota Venza, because of motor. You kill person. Come carry this motor go Port Harcourt, saying won't go sell. As he won't go sell this motor, now they arrest him for deal. As they arrest him now, waiting they talk, they even talk anything way good. So because of motor, how much? You sure say if you even pay for this work, you sure say this man no go even promote you? You no even know. You just kill him, say, you need the motor. Motor now, you no even see the motor safe. So how your life won't be? You go there inside prison. See vigilante. My advice now, make they check people, before they go to give them gun. Because it be like saying now, anybody where they see now they give gun. This kind of person now, we get mental problem, now can't carry gun, give them. Now, don't go kill person. Cut this man safe. If say you know if for those things abroad, jeje, you know they hear say Nigeria no they okay. You still can't come back. You wait on they there, they happy, they okay, fine. You know, see, they know they invest for America. They know they invest for abroad. When we say now only this Nigeria. Now you see say you won't go invest. See as this man just use less you. Waste your life for on top of one Toyota Venza where person if they even dash and the money, the motor no go even last for in hand. You can't kill person. Make God save us from employees where they come from hell. Because if like say some of these employees, now Satan and they grew them. He go down groom them from hellfire, train them well before they send them come Africa. Say make they come they lead, make they come they do things. Because people mind now we suppose they fear. And many people safe. You go there, stay abroad. Say this Nigeria, you know they pay anybody. If you come out. If you won't come back safe, now just say maybe you want come visit your family. That one if you never even carry your family go because this every day now they kill person for this Nigeria. So I don't know what they even find. Stay where you dey. Nigeria no they pay, no they help anybody. Stay your lane. But with this whole matter now, the reason for this man we killed, you know, it vex me because you don't get any reason. If say you talk say this man do you something, we for agree. So my own advice, make them investigate this matter well. I sure say na person now go send this man. Person no go just wake up say you want kill person say okay now my boss. If you tell me this one, I know they do. If work tire you, you leave them now. They no force you. They pay you. If you know say this vigilante work, you just they do am say make I get money. You change your work. Or if you don't like your guy, you leave them. As this matter be, make a comment because this matter na serious matter. The way they kill people now, it don't over much. It don't even times 3 much. Make a comment anything when I think about this matter. Make a comment and make not forget to like share and also subscribe. I go see you now for our next story.